Cookie Lulu. I'd help if I plug in these headphones today. Oh, the orb is just making an appearance front and center, baby. Should we raise the camera up? Then we'll go. What if we go? Am I a high angle guy or am I a low angle guy? Either way, we're going with the high angle tonight. All right. Let's see what else we got going on. Caw! Got to give the customary caw shout out. Huge shout out to Mr. Caw. View your channel. Oh, you know what I didn't do now that I'm looking at it? The fucking stream, it looks like I'm a damn ghost. I didn't do any adjustments when I put on that green screen filter. Edit filters. You're a ghost, man. You turn down that brightness a little bit. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Now we're looking pretty. Pretty like. Caw. But if anybody sees this tonight, what we are doing is we're gonna be doing some. Now that I got fucking the live stream dialed in, we're gonna do some BizRise.io demos. And we're gonna talk about the courses that I'm gonna be firing up tomorrow. Because why? There is some amazing tech available, and people just need to know that you can do this. It isn't like fucking rocket science. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. We can do it together. And I'm going to teach you starting Monday. There's going to be 3 things: Flutterflow, Vertex AI, search and conversation, and live streaming. And why am I doing those 3? Well, because they're very fucking effective together. And what I do, my name's Jax. What I do is I teach people how to make AI effective. And how you do that is you need 3 things, really. You know, I mean, you obviously need AI, and then you need a place to live for your AI to live and like function, and then you need that same place for your users to interact with it. Now, what I've found when putting together, you know, chat agents and Vertex AI search, stuff like that, you really need to think about the home and where it's going to be living, because that's where it's really going to be effective. You know, majority of people aren't just going to go to these agents or go to these things for themselves. Like, you need a platform or an app or to be, you know, optimizing a process. So that's why I tell people optimize a process when you're trying to develop AI. Think about optimizing a process, because it's going to have to be specific, right? Like, what do I need to do during the day? Well, I need to work on my school community. Ooh, which screen am I on? Can you guys see? I should probably go to intermission, huh? We go to intermission, or should we stay here? You guys can't see the screen, can you? Intermission. Do. So in order to make AI effective, you need to optimize the process. So let's say I'm coming into BizRise.io. I want to grow, scale, and monetize Dang it, I need to record this. Let's see how my hotkeys are. Are my hotkeys set? 7. Or is this live stream better? This one's probably the best because it's the biggest screen, huh? Okay, we'll do this one. That way you guys can see the screen the biggest way possible. If the chat starts getting active, I'll put the chat up, but fuck, throw the chat on this bitch. Chat, where you at? Chat box. Ciao. But I need to also, let's see. I'm gonna be switching that intermission scene too, because we're gonna keep track of what we got going on. Because I got the stream dialed in, because the web app's ready to roll, because the factory's going up and running. Now what do we do? Now it's time to fucking sell that shit. So that's what we're doing. And what I want to teach people is like, listen, man, you don't have to be scared of technology. You can do this. I promise you. Okay. Your thing. I'm pretty sure these words are just moving on their own now. That's 100% true. I do like that screen though. I mean, if we're going to try and drive traffic, we're going to create engagement. We got to have some sort of like cool scene up, you know? And plus, that looks like I'm actually looking at the fucking BizRise AO, you know what I'm saying? But I'm so pumped I'm getting good fucking quality stream going here. Life is good. Life is good. Okay. Do I got everything I need now? So is this 6? This is 6, right? 6, 7. 8. Alright, cool. So we're good to go. Yeah, I mean, basically, the main thing that I want to get done tonight, I got to get done promo videos. And then I'm going to do, like, some prospecting live. I'm just going to go to people's LinkedIn profiles. Be like, hey, what's up? My name is Jack. I'm from Colorado. I've recently started a web app. This is a small business startup. I developed it. If you want to join BizRise.io Pro, the bonus offer. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta get that we gotta get that sales pitch down for tonight, but we're gonna do some different things. We're not gonna DM people. We're gonna take some clips. So we'll see how that shit goes. But do like individual invites. Hey, my name is Jack. I'm the founder and creator of BizRise.io. This is a web app I just launched. I'd like to show you some features. What's included with BizRise.io is the AI Factory, our educational community. Come hang out. So that is our new thing inside of the AI factory. It is called Kaka. If you don't know what that is, then we don't need to be hanging out. I promise you that much. That goes out to the boy, the man himself, the Dr. Pepper legend, the Alabama football player, the king himself, an ice cream lover. You know, we don't say names, but we just say, Caca. And if you guys see this when you're joining the stream, this is the AI factory. Alexa, oh, I wish I could translate a live. How can I do... Can I do live stream transcription in a different language on Twitch? Close caption on. I think I need to get a different language. How to add subtitles. Twitch. Twitch.tv, because I think I can add subtitles for a different language. Need to go check that out. Twitch help. Because in the community, in the AI factory, they're looking at a different tab. What the fuck are they looking at? Alexa speaks a different language. So the live stream isn't as effective because I'm speaking English, and it's like, well, that isn't very helpful. She can't, like, I don't speak her language, right? So it doesn't fucking help. No, there was those DMs in here somewhere. I think is it Russian? Romanian. Okay, so let's see if I can turn on Romanian. Sheldon. Hands down, the best platform. Growth and engagement. Especially. Yee. All right, Twitch TV help. Let's see. Can we turn on Romanian? Or do I need to speak Romanian to have Romanian subtitles? Kaka! He has arrived. I just saw it. What up, dude? Up in those stream hours, one stream at a time. My dude Jay. Which help. Seeing if I can put on some Romanian in Twitch. Jordan. Browse, maybe. Where is the fucking Twitch help here? Yikes. Subtitles. Which help. Log out, safety, privacy, dashboard, whispers. What are whispers? Are those like messages? Yes, notification. They have a massive like help section. I just can't fucking. It's like the second time today. I can't find their damn. Where the fuck is the castle? Their Twitch. Help portal. There we go. Subtitles. Closed caption. Guide to closed captions. Alright, how to use closed captions for viewers. Change your caption display setting. Transmit caption files. That sounds complicated. I don't know if I have time to get into that tonight. Jordan's video was on point. You know what, Jordan? Let's go. Can I go watch it while live and put it on my stream? And Kaka, I gotta. All right, cool. I'll put it on. And then the other question I had for you too, with your link, how you append that end of it to the link, does that work for? Like, what else would that work for? Would that work for Insta? Would that work for LinkedIn? Like, what is the best use cases for that link? Not yesterday, or I'll need to leave halfway. What? How long is your video? This thing, Jordan. Where was it? Pimp your socials? Yeah. This thing. Jordan. Does this work for everything, or what else does this work for? Okay. I'm already subscribed. Oh, okay. Cool. I see how that works. Yeah, you do, Eminem. Let's go. 30 days of vlogging. What other videos you got too? I just kind of creep. Dude, you're like kicking my ass and you just got started. You got like 36 videos and you got the same amount of subscribers and views. You got like 450 videos. All right, let's see. I gotta make sure my stream settings are correct. Day 22, okay. The Mudwater sponsor this one? No, I'm subscribed. I'm subscribed, bud. This window's on my my Google work account. I would never unsubscribe. The one that I'm subscribed on your channel is That AI Dude. But this one, I have other people on this Google account. But let me get this stream up. Dude, that's actually, this isn't a bad idea either. Just be like, hit up some people in the school community, like, yo, you want your stream? Or you want your YouTube video played on stream? Not that I'm getting 1 million views or anything, but you know what? People might see Jordan's video. Oh, Jordan, you're gonna love this. The size for I'm fixing the stream real quick so I can get this playing. My chat box height is 420. Yee. 420 in that chat box height. Look at that. All right, we're gonna practice our. Oop, I gotta get my volumes correct here. My screen volume is gonna be on, so I'm gonna have to try and figure out. This will be a test. You do play 13 seconds of a song in the beginning. Okay. And I'm going to try a little screen transition magic, you know what I'm saying? I need an intro. Yeah, we're not going to overthink tonight, Jordan. We're just rocking and rolling. I'm going to make you a clip, bud. We're going to practice our amazing Twitch skills here. Look at that transition, son. Oh. Fantastic. Turn the volume on right when you get to the scene. Move my fat old head out of the way. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. I'm not selling you anything. And you're fucking crushing it. You're out there doing it. I love this. I love people that are fucking getting out and fucking doing it. I love it. Sorry, I should probably not say that F-bomb word. There's so much on stream. I don't know how YouTube likes that. But bro, you'd be pumped too because I hit 19,000 views today from the live streaming, and then I hit, what was it? Oh, my YouTube analytics are just like, it was fucking crazy how many views on the shorts I got. All right, let's do this. What we got? I'm just gonna practice my little. I won't be able to get a clip because it's gonna be longer, but I'm gonna practice my transitions anyway because that's why we're here. Open my eyes. Felt like my hat was pushing my face down. All right, Jordan, here we go. Aspiring homesteaders. Make sure you check out my boy Jordan's channel on YouTube. Learn a thing or two. And let's check out his most recent video on His 30-day vlog challenge, Homestead Made Easy. Make sure you give it a follow on YouTube, and let's check out the most recent day 22 video on Homestead Made Easy.
You must never forget. You must never forget.
Greetings YouTube, I'm Jordan with Homestead Made Easy.
Big fan of the intro
I've made
music.
it to day 22 of my 30-day vlogging challenge. I really can't believe it's almost over and I'm feeling pretty good. It's a little hot here in Florida. Sun's beating down, but I'm doing all right. So I usually start off with the after action review, but the problem is I can't remember what happened yesterday. And it's not that I can't remember what happened yesterday, because there's pieces that I remember. It's just I don't remember a lot of things that happened. And it's really strange. So I came to this conclusion that I was slipped like a memory loss potion or something like that. And that's how I end up losing a match. I lost a whole match last night. Yeah, I went 3 wins and 1 loss. Can't believe it. So disappointed. But I had to be poisoned. There's no other excuse. There's no way I lost a game. So yeah, I think it's a memory loss thing, and I apologize. I can't do an after action review for yesterday's video. So we'll run right into our sponsorship, and I'm just gonna go over like the main things that you want to know about a sponsorship. Sponsorships can be really good about getting you like just a sum of money. Unlike affiliate marketing and that sort of thing, those are, you know, based off click rates and a whole bunch of other stuff, and you really don't know if you're getting paid the amount you want anyway, right? Because you're trusting someone else. At least that's the way it sounds to me. I don't know. But with a sponsorship, you select a flat rate. I have no idea what a flat rate, a good rate is, or anything. It probably depends on what platforms you're on, how big you are on those platforms,
Like the graphic,
and how often you put out content. So when you get into a negotiating process with someone, you want to give them your best feature, but you also want to let them know that you're a little bit more diverse than just one platform. And if you are just still on one platform, go get on another platform, run shorts, and then pull them over into this platform. And that's how you work the system and get more bang for your buck. Because you're already making the video, all you're doing is just sharing it on a different platform. And the other piece is that sponsorships, they can get you a good amount of money, but they're also going to take a lot more time than what an affiliate marketing would take. That's another disadvantage. You're going to go into a negotiating process with whatever company you go in about how much you're getting paid, and it's going to have a back and forth. There's going to be a contract that you will need to read and sign. Excuse me. So that could take weeks to months to complete as well. Then you'd have to make a video. You're going to show them the video, the about section, and everything about their, the video that they're paying for, and then they're going to approve it, or they're going to ask for edits on that, and then you'll have to go and edit the video again. And finally, when the video plays, it might take some time to get paid. Sponsorships are but it is what it is. If you're already doing stuff, I would say go for the sponsorships. You want to go with a sponsorship that is like your channel. If you are, say, a tech channel, VPNs kind of make sense. They're really popular, and people who are not really techie people still need a VPN for safety and security. And they may not know why. But you can also convince them to get a VPN by saying that, you know, if you like watching RuPaul's Drag Race, you know that you can get a VPN, put yourself in other countries, and watch those countries for free on Netflix, and you don't have to, you know, pirate them off the internet or pay for them off of some other service. Then we have
Dude, I love what you got going on
we
here with
went
edits.
over I lost track of what I was talking about. And then the other part of the sponsorship video, or the contract negotiation, why did I lose track? Where was that? It was back. My memories.
Did you have a couple gummies before the walk? I would have had a couple gummies before the walk with you.
On this memory loss.
Oh.
Did I miss my blood water? And that brings
me
to
on
the
tonight?
sponsorship of this video, mud water. Yes, I drink it all the time, and I do love this stuff, but it's good for your memory. That's why I do it. So when I wake up in the morning, first thing I do is go turn on the hot water heater, get that water boiling, go get my cup out, put it on the counter, get my mud, go put a tablespoon in, and then fill it up about a quarter of the way, just enough so I know that I'm not gonna spill it out of the cup, but not too much. Use that frother that comes with the kit, stir that up, fill it all the rest of the way up with hot water, and then enjoy my mud water. And after you drink it, there's still like some silt stuff on the bottom. It's really hard to explain, but you can just put more hot water in, use the frother, stir that up, and fill it up again. That's the bonus cup. I enjoy that bonus cup. You will too. And mud water has all the nice mushrooms that are good for different parts of your brain, different parts of like energy and mood.
Man, I love the
everything to make your skin better.
I do love the attachments you got on
everything
there.
you could ever imagine.
And kind of the interactive stuff. That's great.
And it can replace coffee, which would be removing caffeine from your, you know, your daily routine. And the more caffeine that you get out of your system, the better sleep you're going to get. And the more sleep you're going to get, the better your memory is going to be. Think of how much your memory gets better when you remove caffeine and you start drinking mud water. So I recommend going and checking out this website and getting your mud water today. And back to our video. So in sponsorships, you're going to have this negotiation process. It would be recommended to get like a manager to do this sort of thing on the first time, because they're going to be able to look at the contract and make sure that everything is right and everything that is necessary to be in there. You don't find very many videos about contracts, so have someone else do it. And I was doing examples like the VPN. Other ones would be if you are like a financial channel, doing Bitcoin or like gold would be good sponsorships. You would probably want to look for ads that they advertise on, I don't know what forums or anything, but I'm sure you could find it. And they would say that they're looking for people to do sponsorships. Then you would contact them, say you're interested, then you'd go into the contract negotiation, do your video, get paid. And the final one would be doing like a product that you like or enjoy. You probably want to reach out to that company. They may not look for stuff often. So for like myself, if I wanted to do Live Bearded or Mud Water, I would need to reach out to those companies. I'm not gonna reach out to those companies. I got a lot on my plate as it is. I don't really need to add trying to do a sponsorship because it's a little extra stress, and I don't know how much money it would net me, but it's probably not that much. not enough to
No.
take over what I've already got going on. It's busy. I'm busy. I make sure I keep myself, you know, jam-packed. So if they reach out to me, yeah. If they don't, oh well. Anyway, this has been day 22 of my 30-day vlogging challenge. I'm Jordan with Homestead Made Easy. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Are you interested in doing sponsorship videos? Do you like affiliate marketing? Both? Just everything that you can possibly jam pack into? Or what kind of person are you? Let me know. There's nothing to be ashamed of. It's a, you know, it's a strange rural world right now. I mean, like, inflation was transitory, and then, yeah, we're going down the rabbit hole. But I'll see you guys in the comment section. Bye.
Jordan, bro, let's touch on a few things here, okay? So we gotta touch on a few things because that was a great job. Number one, your story build, I didn't even see it coming. I didn't even see it. I thought you legitimately, like, I mean, you know what I'm saying. But you forgot about what you did. You know, you're having trouble remembering shit because we're getting fucking old. What can we do about it? You know, why should this happen? And then Mudwater, bam, love it. And I mean, you did throw in some VPN sponsorships, but what's cool? Well, what's cool about this too, bro? Let me, we might as well just do it. Dude, you did great. That was fucking awesome. That was awesome. I really like the walk idea. I need to do that. That's for sure. That is a good idea, man. That is a really good idea. Great job. Great job, Homestead Made Easy. But I want to show you this too while we're here. I mean, this is, and I know you don't want to live stream. I'm literally like, I'm not telling you this because I'm not going to make any money off it. So you got to look at it. Where is it? Dashboard. But it's like partnerships. One of these. So when you sign up for Streamlabs Desktop Ultra, there's a million fucking features of this thing. There's like a creator site where people can tip you on PayPal. There's partnerships. There's a whole fuck ton of shit, dude. The dashboard of Streamlabs Desktop Ultra is just fucking nuts. I also cry on my last video, and you would cry again if you played it. Dude, I can't be doing any more crying. I'm already emotional today. I'm already being a emotional whirlwind today. I'll watch it after I get off stream. Can't be crying on stream. Again. Did I do that the other day with you when I was talking about my kids or something? I'm pretty sure I've cried on stream. Which is fucking funny too, because prior to having kids, man, I don't think I couldn't even tell you the last time I cried. Now I see a fucking like ESPN little fucking commercial and you know, like a father-daughter or father-son, and I fucking cry. I'm such a dude, I cry more than fucking, it is the weirdest shit. And it's like I get all emotional from like kids. You know? I guess it's not that weird, but gosh, dude, look at this, Jordan. Oh, this is what I was showing you before I got all distracted and emotional. Where was it? Merch. That wasn't merch. Tipping, custom website. This is what one thing I don't like though, because the custom website that Desktop Ultra gives you. What up, Tuki? You might want to look at this too. Dude, you two together. So, alright. Tookie Tooks. Phil. And Jordan, his name is Phil, F-Y-L. That's Phil. Phil was hanging out the other night talking about building a community on Venus. Can't chat over chat doo-doo. Yeah, I mean it is. It's a fairly complex challenge or complex topic, but Jordan does homesteading, and I don't know how to do it, bro. All I would have to do is like look at my kids' pictures. I haven't seen them for a while, but before that, fuck, I couldn't cry for shit. People would like die and be like, "Oh," like you feel like shit, but it's not like you're bawling, you know. Now I see a fucking father and daughter or son at the grocery store and I get all emotional. Oh, Jordan, I wanted to one of you two. Let's see. This one up the custom website. Like this is a cool fucking feature, but every time I go there, it says it's like a fucking safety feature. Yeah, connection's not private. Like this is a Streamlabs Desktop Ultra product, and it fucking goes there. It's like, why would I share that with people? I mean, it's a cool fucking site. Is driving to the that like a heart in front of that. It is damn good having an IT guy on my side. But now, how do I fucking like if I put that in my link tree or some shit? I don't have a Namecheap account though. What if I change the domain? I think I can change the domain on this too. It's not the custom domain. That is a serious, like, it's a cool fucking site, but if people like, go there and then fucking think I'm trying to steal their shit. Right, like, cause I have multiple domains, right? Like, I have Squarespace, I've done GoDaddy, but when you sign up for Streamlabs Desktop Ultra, they say, hey, you get the pick a fucking URL, and they take care of that side. So it's WinLive's good, socials. Like people could go to this site and check it out, but it just fucking sucks. Platform. Twitch. And I don't know where the DNS records are inside of Streamlabs Desktop Ultra. I've been looking for them. But I mean, there's seriously no DNS records or anything in here where you can switch them. Also, why I love Streamlabs Desktop Ultra, you get fucking everything. Who wants the link? Partner discounts? This might be part of the Chingaderas I was talking about. Okay, so let's see, is this it? No. But you do get some discounts for stuff. 1 month Surfshark full free. Dude, that's okay. So that's how I've done everything too previously, right? Because yeah, what up, Phil? Phil, tell me how to get my creator site open. Dude, that's what I do too. Like, if you look at thataidude.com, I use that website for information to train my AI agents. So I put the information there and just have my agent scan it. But yeah, Wix, GoDaddy, fucking all of them. Jeff, what up, dude? What are you doing? Dude, this is fucking awesome. I got some homies all holding it down from Kaka and Tookie Tookie. And Jeffrey, just so I know, do you like being called Jeffrey or Jeff? I mean, honestly, after about probably an hour of being around me, heck yeah, dude. Thanks for joining the AI Factory. I'll jump into BizRiseO here in a little bit. We're trying to fix the fucking screen. Fuck that. Fuck that creator site anyway. That thing sucks. We'll figure that out later. But yeah, let's see. But no money to active. It's dope though. Dude, Wix is great. Sorry, don't mind me just putting my fucking finger in my nose on live stream. I mean, sometimes when you're live streaming, you forget you're live streaming. I've been called worse. Yeah, me too. But honestly, Jeffrey, by the time we hang out for a little bit, you're gonna probably end up with a nickname too. So, just shooting you straight there, boss. Jeffrey, you came in, and I know you were kind of interested in Flutterflow. Is that really what you're looking for? Are you looking to do? I guess what are you looking to do? I can show you a couple things. I can show you Flutterflow, like how to build the app. I can show you the Vertex AI agents, which are these guys. You make your own special AI. Not yet, Jordan. What is the roundabout cost to get everything up and running? Well, that depends on what everything is. You know? Like if you want BizRiseIO as is, with just like your brand on it, I can probably figure that out pretty quick. If you want like your own custom app, I mean, depending on the complexity, some apps take like 6 months. Yeah, but not yet, Cacao. But really, I mean, depending on tell me more about what you want to do. And we can go from there, and just dump the whole lot. Like the very end goal and then all the details, because you got to make sure everything can connect back down the line too, right? Like, where's your data going? I mean, is it going to be going to socials? What's your main goal of it? Are you checking people in? Is it going to be customers? Are we handling payments? Which Stripe makes it fucking awesome. Stripe and PayPal, man. I mean, I get there's other payment providers, but they're all around 3%. And those two just make it very fucking easy to develop into your stuff. And the cool thing about Stripe and PayPal, this is something for you guys to know if you ever think about building an app or something. But when you're using Stripe and PayPal, they handle all the card transactions and stuff on the back end. So even through Firebase, I don't even get to see credit cards or anything, which I'm so pumped about because I don't want to have that liability on me. I build AI like ChatGPT through tutorial. Okay, so let me show you kind of, I guess, a few examples of really what. We'll just kind of go high level overview and we'll go from there. All right, how's that sound? Actually, you know what, Jeffrey? Let's do this. Do you have a community? Tell me you got a community. I've been trying to do a live stream community assist for somebody to help them get going. But twice I've done it, 3 times I've done it, the live stream shit's out. So we don't want that. Okay, so no community yet, huh, Jeffrey? Come on, bro. Monetize your shit. Random thought. Was my video your first live reaction video? Sorry, Cacao. I'll work on it. Jeffrey, you're going to get the full package tonight, brother. You are going to get the full package. We're just going to show you. We're going to help you start a community, Jeffrey. I don't know if you want to, but this might be fun. Even if you don't want to, you don't have to use this. No pressure. But what I would like to do, if you want to do it, is do a community assist setup. But I'll kind of go over a high level of what Flutterflow is. We'll jump into Vertex AI agents really quickly. And then we'll go... Can we read his bio? I don't know what to build a community on. Perfect. This is perfect, dude. This is perfect. Jeffrey, I got you, bro. Don't worry about it. Having set a goal, I aim to achieve the goal by end of the year. All right, so we got a goal. And I'm betting that might be more time, money, and freedom. But, Jeffrey, here's what we're going to do. We're going to make this real fucking simple. Because this is the whole ass reason I developed AI. And what was funny, though, is I had made this web app. And, you know, I've been working on it for a while and getting it going and everything. And, I started the school community doing an analytics tutorial for my buddy. My analytics said, people want to see live educational tutorials on Vertex AI. It was like 900, I think the numbers were like 978 to 22 for votes. Okay. But what ended up happening was, it's like, well, I need to set up my community. Why don't I just use AI to do it, to make it faster? Do you play DJ? How did you figure that out? Oh. Jordan, how did you figure that out? Dude, Jordan, are you a genius? I'm starting to think you might be slow playing me. How did you figure that out, Jordan? From this or from his YouTube profile? Either way. I digress. Let me move my fucking fat head out of the way again so I can get you guys a good look at what the whole screen is instead of looking at my face. Okay. Put myself in the corner there. Go to the corner, Jack. Okay. Alright, sorry guys, I'm bullshitting. Jeffrey, let's get back into it. Whatever, what are you guys doing? Yeah, dude, how did you figure that out? Oh, bro, I wish I was hanging out with you. Alright, Jeffrey, check us out. I can't be saying that on live stream. Yes, I can. But what we can do tonight really to kind of demonstrate a few things of really how to make AI effective, because I think a lot of people are looking to monetize AI. Let me start that over. We're going to have to touch base on that, Jordan. I didn't see... Jeff, you got... All right, here's what we're going to do. So, Jeff, in order for... Because a lot of people... Fuck, I got to... Sorry, I'm trying to do a fucking video promo. This is how you make AI effective. In order to make AI effective, you need to optimize a process. Now, what does that mean and why is that going to be something significant for people going forward? Well, let's take a look. So in order to make AI effective, what the biggest thing is, especially if you're going to monetize a product or you're going to, you're going to try and make a business out of it, what is important that I like people to talk about, and I'll move my face out of the way because you need to see that Vertex AI agent, but it needs a place to live, right? And when I talk about, developing AI or building something to be effective as a product, number one, it needs a place to live. And number two, it's not going to be a stagnant, I built this, put it in a box, shipped it, and don't have to work on it again. Like, essentially, these things are growing, like they're living type things. So it's like, all right, we got to work with it every day, but thankfully they learn and grow with you. Now, why I chose Flutterflow? Because what I also Jordan, you're slow playing me. You're a genius. But what I also get distracted by the chat. But what I also like to tell people too is, like, if you're gonna be, oh, he left. He gone. He gone. Jeff, are you gone? Why am I fucking teaching him if he's gone? Oh, Jeff. All right, woo. Jeff, this is Jeff's lesson. I mean, this is the internet's lesson, but this is the fucking coolest shit. This is why I started live streaming. Honestly, you can't see my arms, huh? I was doing this. They're just out here getting cut off by the green screen. Well, I guess we'll figure it out. Let me show you how this shit works. Dude, we ain't got enough time for that. We need more, we would need some beverages around a fire, boys. That's how I get to know people. But let's do a video. Okay, in order to make AI effective, Jeff, what I try and tell people is, one, all right, think about process optimization, right? So what are you going to improve upon? That's something like that isn't, a Gemini-based deal, or something you just do a GPT real quick. Like, how is it going to improve with you consistently, right? So why I try and say that is because it also, like I said, it needs a place to live, and it's going to be something that you're going to be working with every day. And what I found when I started going on this mission, I went down the GPT rabbit hole, I don't know, about 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, whenever it first came out before rules. And oh, we will, dude. Don't worry. I'm gonna take him through the community setup assist. I got him, bro. Because that's the whole point of the community assist, right? Like, you don't need to have everything dialed in. But let's just go jump into that so I can show you that, Jeff. We'll just knock that out. So what's important about it is you optimize what you're doing, right? Let's say you want to start a school, but you're not really like, all right, what am I going to do it on? Let's just make that plan for you. That's what AI is good at, right? Optimize a process. When I started the school community, I was like, well, I need all this shit to get it going. I'm going to build an AI to do it. So that is this one in school. So the community planner here, this is the community assist. If I want to start another community, this is my account on BizRise.io. And you can do this. This whole process is free on BizRise.io. So if you go do the AI community assist and log in, the dashboard for school, this tile is the one tile that's open for free. The rest of these are the pro version, but school, you got to come in here, click on that. And then we'll just create a community assist for you. So, Jeff, give me this, because I think the next question is, what are three of your skills, hobbies, and interests? So let me know 3 of those skills, hobbies, or interests in the chat. Or if it's one. If you have one skill, hobby. Yeah, send me a link too. Is it like a chat bot? Vine and Dine. All right. Cool. can we? Is that our community name? Vine and Dine? Like, are we there? Do we have our name? And I'm guessing Vine and Dine, we got a fine wine connoisseur on our hands. Easy or R? X, maybe? Just don't post nudes on the chat. You know? I think I was saying fuck like 32 times in a row earlier. Jordan got me going on something, and I was just like, fuck that, fuck. These fucking things die. We're going without. We are going without. When did those die already? We're going without, boys. So if the audio's fucked up, you gotta let me know. No, chatbot. So yes, chatbot. Chatbot. Okay, so now, and it's a GPT chatbot. Where do you, like, when you're deploying, oh fuck. Alright, so we got Vine and Dine, fine wine connoisseur. Check this out. This is running on Gemini. Vine and Dine. Jeff. What do you mean? You don't? That would be the perfect school of all the schools in the school world. There it is. I mean, unless you don't want to do cooking anymore, then we have a problem. If you want to do cooking, I would love to proceed with Vine and Dine because that's a hell of a name. But if you don't, I mean, I'm assuming you're going Vine and Dine if you're building a GPT for it. You let me know. But if you like the name, let's keep rolling, dude. I call myself a code monkey. Well, we need to jump on a Zoom soon. Start talking about some API calls on backend stuff with Firebase. Can you write Dart? Do you know Dart? It's a lot like Python. Tell me you're a Dart guy. Stay hydrated, Homestead. Gah! Did Phil leave? Was Phil the one that left? Phil. Check this out, Code Monkey. Are we doing Vine and Dine? And send me, drop the link to that. Or do you have the? Fuck it. I have an opening account. How do you deploy the bot? Phil, what up? Jeff, how do you deploy the chatbots? Like, where do they go? Like, for example, we'll do this shit later. But if you don't want to do that shit, or if you do want to do the community assist, let me know. But this is like a Vertex AI agent. This would be like, you did, it doesn't show up. Message me the link on school. Oh, even better yet, post it on the Pimp Your Socials. This is the Google equivalent, I think, of GPT bots, but these are called Vertex AI agents. Is this kind of similar to where you kind of have, like, you have the UI where you're building it? So I put this one into just a page and on the dashboard, but it'd be like the one on the front page of BizRise.io, and then you can kind of, put different things in there. Twitch, Streamlabs, put YouTube videos on it. Like this. Twitch, home. Which one was it? Twitch. Clip that. Go to Streamlabs. You can put in your music, your YouTube videos. So your AI agents can actually start training people. You know what I'm saying? And this is the agent that's living inside of BizRise.io right now. Right here. His name's Hank. Grandma woke up. Gotta go. Good luck, man. See you, Phil. Tookie, tookie, tookie. Tookie, tookie. Ow. Tookie, tookie. Feel like I'd be talking to you on a microphone. Dude, Jordan, my reaction video sucked, didn't it? I'm so terrible. I don't know why I just went back to that, but that fucking reaction video was terrible. Let's check it out. Vine and Dine. What do we got going on here? You Jeff or you Kia Williams? Kia Williams. Butterfield. Foop. What am I signing up to do here? Vine and Dine. Alright, so we got our own little GPT. What do we got going on here? Wine and food recipes for restaurants. Alright. Can you create a recipe for a steak and potato? Ooh, we're getting fancy. We're doing like the pan all day. Oh my goodness. See, you're a chef though. You can cook this shit. I'm gonna need like a, can I microwave? No, I'm just kidding. Garlic butter. Oh, so it's gonna give you more detailed directions. Okay. Dude, now you got this thing lying to me. Nice, man. What are you planning on doing with it? Or what are you planning on, like, how are you planning on, I guess, monetizing or shipping it out there? Because that was one of the things that I had too. Like, I did one on, like, date nights, just with generators in Vertex AI. But then it's like, my buddy's like, dude, I can just ask Gemini that, or I can ask GPT that. And I was like, yeah, you fucking can, can't you? So that's why I ended up on a web app. Gotta have, it's gotta be able to do something. That's what I ran into, I don't know, 9 months ago. I had a fully built app, but it was like, didn't really do anything. So that's why I decided with BizRise.io, it's like, all right, well, we're gonna need to teach tutorials. Like, what's funny about BizRise.io is I actually started putting all my fucking videos in there. And then I found School. Then I was like, well, School's a fucking cool platform. I really like that. So let's stick with that. But what do you plan on doing with it, man? Like, what's the end goal? Are you monetizing, like, why don't you do Vine and Dine community? And then use that, like, hey, if you get to a certain level in the community or if you unlock this course, it'll auto send you a link for Vine and Dine and you can teach every housewife in the world or every house husband in the world how to cook badass dinners, man. Just set up like you gotta eat every day anyway, right? That's what I kind of figured with doing tech and live streaming. It's like, if I'm already doing it anyway, why don't I just teach people how to do it? Okay. Do you want me to read it on screen or off screen? One thing I need to be careful of sometimes. Oh. Okay. No, that's great, man. Like, that's the idea, right? Like, you're on the right path. That's exactly what AI is, part of what AI is good at. Question though, this is what I've been wondering. Gosh, which one's Hank's under? I think Hank's under this one. Okay. Yeah. So you're doing it with the teammate. All right, so check this out. This is the one thing that I liked about Vertex AI, and why I went to the Google side versus the GPT side. But within Vertex AI, so like Hank, when you take those agents hybrid, oops, that's the whole Vertex AI, which that is fucking crazy. The amount of stuff you can do in Vertex AI is insane. But this is the cool thing, or one of the features that I talk to businesses about for, you know, why potentially having a customer service agent on Vertex AI side is important. This shouldn't have too many. I mean, I don't have any fucking users of BizRise.io Pro yet, so I'm not gonna have a lot of analytics. But when I talk to it and I have it do, it might be good to check the other one too. But let's just bring this date back a while. June 1st. So out of the 82 times that I've went in and talked to this chat agent, that's the right one. Buzz. I don't know if this is the right one. Gent. Oh, that's the right one. Could be. Let's see. Cool thing about this AI is you can just test it live. What's up, Buzz? No, so that's Hank. I gotta find Hank. Hank AI, here we go. I got Buzz, and I got Hank, and I got Baz. No, that's not it. Is this it? Too many damn AI chatbots. No. Let me go to that other account real quick, see if it's in there. Making too many damn chat agents. You know what I'm saying? There's one I did on government government programs for funding. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. But I thought that'd be a badass project to do, like in the community with everybody. Is like, yo, if we're gonna make something for, like, let's make a business one where we can do, all right, what do you do as far as a small business? What do you do as far as taxes? What do you do? You know what I'm saying? All right, here's Hank. Here's the real Hank, the OG Hank. Check this cat out. This is how you make Vertex AI agents. Horsepower. So you can take your agents and you can make them experts in, I mean, really any area you want, right? You can make them experts in cooking, homesteading, YouTube, taxes, investing, skateboarding, whatever you want. But you can make them to be able to handle every single one of these. And then what's important about a Vertex AI agent, one, it learns from every conversation. It's training on Gemini. So every conversation that you have, it trains those models. So I have a model for Gumroad, analytics. It just, every conversation is a model train, right? And then when you go into your analytics, you're going to learn basically what is trending in your agent, and it's going to get better on its own. But then that's how you can start. But that's how you can actually start, you know, seeing, all right, majority of people that have been in BizRise and talked to the agent want to know more about YouTube, the growth plan, and then tech tutorials, Twitch. So those are the main things, right, that people have been interacting with my agent. So that's why main deal is YouTube live stream, how to grow it, do some tech tutorials, school, and Twitch. So also why I'm on Twitch. But that's really essentially how you're going to make, I mean, number one, but you can, I mean, you can train it on any data store you have. I think this one, for example, yeah, it's got a lot of individual data stores, and what those are coming from is my Wix website that we talked about earlier. So you basically put whatever information you want on your website, or I mean, shoot, a Google Doc. You can train these things from a Google Doc, or you can train them from your live stream transcriptions build an agent for media buying. Okay, are you buying companies or are you buying individual assets? Like, are you buying videos and kind of like what Jordan was talking about earlier with sponsorship companies and shit like that? Because that changes the way you can technically approach it. And what I would do if I were you, because I did this shit too. Check this shit out. I believe that one's in the other one. But I made one as a small business expert too for Colorado because I mean there's times you're going to need, you know, that information. So I use them two ways, right? I use them internally and externally. What I need to get done, so like if I need shit. So this one on the front has kind of like my customer service. This is Baz. But like if I want to do a marketing script, so hey Baz, write me a social media script on BizRise.io. I'm gonna do two-step because I want to do the call to action. You know, comment yes and do the mini chat. So write me a two-step social media post. As a media buyer for a company. Oh, okay. But what type of media are you buying, I guess? Give me a little more insight into that. So like the agent's gonna go do this? No. Bad Bales. Then you gotta train your agents to get better. They're like little babies. What's cool about these things is the more you give them time and the more you work with them, they get better every day. There's a media buyer for a company. Now, what? The one thing I don't know if they're able to do yet is decisive action, unless you have parameters, and then start the initial engage. So that is the thing that I see kind of really walling off a lot of people what they want to do and then what AI is capable of yet. There's still, at least to my knowledge, what I use, there isn't something where you can just do the initial engage without doing it yourself, you know, like putting in a name or putting in something. And I think there's good reason for that. I mean, they probably don't want AI just running all over and hitting people up. Imagine if AI had free reign to go just DM people. Fuck, you would never. You just fucking delete your apps. But you can use them for internal and external. So whatever you want to do. The ultimate social media management tool. That's better, but not great. What I am looking for a post like what's that guy's name? The high ticket synthesizer school guy? This guy, Andrew Kirby. Andrew Kirby. Right, it Rise.io and with action. Yes, on this post and have an engaging 2-second hook. Jordan, what would you call, if you're still here, Jordan, what would you call your, like the hooks you develop? Because I mean, even that DM you sent me on Discord, like your initial hooks are fucking fuego. What are you doing for those, or where, like, what's your approach there? Okay, so there's my steps. Let's see. Better, but just write one social media post script with the second part of the two-step to comment yes. These factors: maximizing ad performance ROI, managing high impact campaigns across Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, strategic ad placement and optimization. I mean, so boom. Honestly, here's what I would say to that. And I mean, what you could do is you'd have to train it on some sort of data, right? So you're going to have to get into like, where all of these analytics are coming from or what ad spend is going to be the best there. But I mean, the tough thing about that is you're already going to have Facebook's AI, you got Meta AI, they're going to place it where you want. You're not going to be able to place your ad on their platform with a different AI. Now you can make better social media posts, like you can make better ads using it based on data. But again, that's the thing too, right? Like you already know, you created a GPT, you got to make it off data. So that would be the one thing, like where can you get that data? Because trying to fucking maximize ad spend if you don't have a lot of volume or a lot of traffic, Jesus, take the wheel and just give it to Google, the king of data. I mean, ROI, especially TikTok. I mean, and the tough thing about those platforms is like, who's your target market and for what, right? Because if we're doing Vine and Dine, I'm probably not going to be TikTok or Instagram as much. I'm probably, and depending on, well, unless you got a shitload of swaggy food pictures, but I'd probably be Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. I mean, Google Ads number one. Don't spend any money unless you spend it on Google first. And depending on your target market and I mean where your socials rank. Thanks for hanging, dude. Shout out to Homestead Made Easy and my boy Cacao. How'd that sound? I don't have my headphones on. Sleep tight, J Money. See you in the morning. If you know anybody that wants to sign up for BizRise.io Pro, I know you said you didn't like affiliate programs, but I'm setting one up on System.io. And I think it's the same damn thing with your YouTube link, how you got to append that shit to the back of the link. We need to get on a call one of these days and make sure I'm not fucking that up so I actually pay people right. That was my biggest hesitation. Because it's just a proxy link, but it's like, I don't know. I want to make sure that link's working well. And the shitty part about it is I don't think they have like a test platform like Stripe. You just got to know it's working. It's fuck me. But Jeffrey, what I would do, dude, if you're honestly going to do that, you could, what I would do, and I'll show you how to fucking build. Like, I mean, that's what I'm going to be starting tomorrow. And with BizRise.io Pro, you get free access to, and I think I told you, but you'll have free access to anything. But with doing this, like what I would do to approach that is, I mean, I'd put together a web app or a website, something for them to land on, right? Whatever you want to do. I say website because they're easier, but future forward stuff, I mean, in 10 years, that I don't think anybody's ever going to say website again. You do media buying, you need to be able to do ad copy scripts. Oh, I mean, yeah, dude, you could pump out. All right, so check this shit out. Check out BizRise.io Pro, bro. You want to pump out some ad copy? Watch this shit. You could set this up, and people like this because of the drag and drop of like kind of functionality. One thing I also noticed too, it's got to be shiny, right? It's like it's got to look pretty, it's got to work good. People want that future forward tech, but check this shit out. Like, these are my 3 products, right, that I was focusing on. But it's gonna, so this is like school, but how to build a web app, BizRise.io, the actual web app that I developed, and then the AI Factory is my community. But this is something you could do for, I mean, high ticket people. And then, show them, hey, we can develop your campaign very quickly. Let's sit down at a table. What you don't like, redline it. We'll get back after. But when you get back, because you're going to create a marketing campaign based on your products or services, AI does that too. But this is what I call the drop generator. So, like BizRise.io, if I want to do a script on BizRise.io, or if I want to do a social media post, all I got to do is go to the drop generator, and I've set it up in a script just for a regular post, a 2-step action post, and then a marketing email. So let's just go BizRise.io, the web app. Let's go. I want a 2-step. And then you just drop it like it's hot. And this is what really essentially makes it easy for people, is just, hey, when you log in, create your company, create a product or service, and if you want to start marketing it, all you got to do is drag that bitch, drop it in, and it's going to pump out a script based on that product. So there's my title: Harness BizRise.io's power, unlock growth and efficiency. So then I'd say, and the best thing about recording live, why I try and tell people to start live streaming, is because I can just record that shit right now. Unlock your business's hidden potential. BizRise.io is here to revolutionize your operations and drive growth. And then just take a Twitch clip. And then what I do is I schedule to post them on my Wix website, because it can post to everything except TikTok, unfortunately. But problem solved, because when you take a Twitch clip, that can post to TikTok and YouTube Shorts automatically. So that's what I'm talking about. Optimize the process, right? How quick, because that's really what everything is efficiency. I mean, there's a good book, When the Internet Came Out, The World is Flat, because it just made that global economy that much more faster. That's what AI does. AI is not necessarily do it for you like an automation, although this is just personal opinion. I don't know anything about this, but I would start checking into Google and the do it, like, just, I think you're going to be happy. But that is how you optimize a process with AI, because now, all right, I have my product, I want to post it, I want to do marketing of it. So it's like, all right, how many of these could I could probably knock out a whole 90 of these, and I don't even know. I bet you I could get 30 done in 60 minutes. What do you charge for the Pro? $99 a month. If you want to be my first user, though, I'll give you 50% off your first month. I just got to go generate a discount code. But if you want to be my first user beta tester, because that's the other important thing. When you launch an app, and also part of the reason I joined school is, like, you want to have some sort of connection with, like, your trusted tester program. Just so you can have feedback, do improvements, like, yo, dude, this is cool. I see what you're thinking, but this would be better if you did it like that. And here's the other thing, Jeff. Oh man, I wish Jordan was still here too. I'll have to talk to him about that tomorrow. Lifetime? What do you mean? Like, did you just fucking pay for it? You want your own BizRise.io? Because the cool thing about these is you could essentially, I'll show you. This is why technology is so cool. There's really easy ways to make some badass shit now. But, like, for lifetime cost, dude, like, I mean, if you want your own, we can work out something here, because you just duplicate that bitch. I can literally duplicate BizRise.io, change the colors, put your pictures on it, your brand on it, and you go sell it. 20 years? Oh, man. 20 years usage? Let's see. Because you're obviously going to need a little bit of a discount going over the 20 years, but let's see. So calculator. But dude, if you're my first fucking user, I am putting, we're gonna have to do something like special for whoever that first user is, and be like, Be like a little secret in the app. 20 years use? Let's see. Oh, how much do you plan on using it? Are you gonna do 300 a day? You're gonna do 200 a day? Times 20 years. Holy shit. Divide it, and we got to give you a discount, so we got to multiply that at a lower rate. If you're putting in 20 years, that's got to be like a 70%. I feel like that's fair. 70. That total would be $16,632. I could do. I know there's a way to do a yearly, but I don't have it programmed into BizRise.io yet to unlock all the features. I need to do that though for a yearly discount. That's on the checklist. But yeah, that would be cool too. And this is something you can think about. Because I do have a GPT API, and I've been messing with. Oh, that's where I started messing with stuff a couple years ago. Was GPT. But like, dude, making a simple Vine and Dine. Fuck, dude, look at this. This is what you, Jeffrey. Look. But you should also be my first member of BizRise.io Pro. If you want that 50% off, let me know in the chat so I can give you a discount monthly. But look at this shit, dude. You could just change this to Vine and Dine in a hurry. Already set up. Vine and Dine. Look, you got a web app. Secure. But that's how quick this stuff can be. That's me. I told the corporate world to fuck off 2 years ago when my daughter was born. So we have 3 kids. My youngest daughter, the day she was born, she came early, so she was in the NICU, and we were in the middle of a corporate merger, corporate takeover, corporate clean house, maybe. Anyway, it was oil and gas. I used to be U.S. sales for some oil and gas, and it was just post-COVID. There wasn't a ton of money going in, and the day after our daughter was born, I got laid off from the fucking CEO. So I was like, you know what? Fuck this shit. I'm going to use much as I can, everything I got, to develop a digital platform. And 2 years later, 2.5 years later, here we are. Let's do some work. I'm here to do work. If you need something, you can hire me. I am available. But let's check out these other pages of Vine and Dine, because this might be something that's cool for you too. I mean, depending on what you want to do, but so it's always got good onboarding flows. Like, this is already like a pre-built app. Now, this is the moneymaker, right? And anything with Flutter flows, you got to figure out how to pass the data, which is always the biggest thing. Whenever you start thinking about an app, start thinking about data and how you're going to move it around. But yeah, there could be Vine and Dine, dude, straight from your GPT. Yeah, we do. Don't wait too long, Jeff. I'm fucking broke. I've been doing this shit for 2 years. Finally got these products launched. Don't wait a month. Look at that. You could have fucking Vine and Dine up and literally from your GPT that you made. That is fucking perfect. I think they still have this template on there. I mean, I got it. Every template they fucking come out with, I just put a new app in my Chinggis. They had one that was badass that left. Yeah, so they still have meal planner in there. They have the social, the homes one. Although I don't think it's going to be great for the next little while. Been in a year or two having that puppy ready for when the interest rates drop. When we get out of the recession, that's going to come fuck everybody up. Like me. We can build that. Yeah. Whatever you need, bro. This one's cool too. The only thing I'm not certain about is how... Well, let me say this. With the Fin wallet, you can make your own. I'm going to be building this into BizRise.io. This is my next project because people, when I was working for a couple buddies, just like doing side gigs and shit when I need some cash, the biggest thing with their business is when people walk in and out of the door, right? Like, okay, customer service. How do we make sure that customer is taken care of? So the cool thing about that one on the Fin wallet side is like, all right, since I have created a job in BizRise.io, all right, how do we manage this? And for some fucking reason, everybody uses QuickBooks. I fucking hate QuickBooks with a passion. And there's so many other platforms out there better for business banking, in my opinion. But that's what it is. But yeah, Jeff, if you want to be my first user in BizRise.io, man, just pump the shit out of it. Tell your friends. I'll figure out a way to get that affiliate link up and running too. I have everything set up. I just need to make sure it works, and I don't know how to do that because they don't have a developer test mode. So, I mean, I'm 99.9% sure I got it right, but there's always that 1%. And there's actually a guy in the community now. I don't know if you guys saw that, but Alex Valdez. He is fucking stud. You could just look at it and be like, yep, you're good. I call that guy the magician. He's actually, him and a guy named Anthony Lacona are the two reasons I actually started doing this. Because one of the biggest killers, or one of the biggest problems we had to deal with so it was called Wireline. I did Wireline, but one of the biggest things we had to deal with was cost of goods and how to manage that versus market standard for, or market ballpark for your product. Because roughly 50%, 40% of our revenue is getting eaten up in cost of goods. And that was all expendable shit. Like, we blew our shit up. So it's not like you get to use it twice. And that was the biggest battle. So when I was looking for, okay, I will. When I was looking for a business to build, I was like, well, what has the lowest cost of goods? This. SaaS. Yeah, I got it, Jeff. I dropped my number in there, and so my fucking SIM card is fucked right now, and I do not have the cash currently going through old divorce and entrepreneurship and all that to fuck with it. So I can call you on Facebook, or we can set up a Zoom meeting, whatever you want to do there. But I sent you the number. I'll get it fixed here soon. But if you text me or call me and I don't answer, it's not because I don't want to talk to you. It's because my phone's fucked. But no excuses, play like a champ, right? Rule number 76, we learned that in fucking Wedding Crashers. Yeah, but that would be fucking perfect, bro. I don't know what your colors are, but gosh, and you know what, too? This one's cool. Made this one for baseball players. Those aren't real. I don't have bugs in this one, do I? I didn't launch this one yet, though. This one's still got some tinkering. Check this shit out. Woo woo. This was like my first Flutterflow web app. Let's see, player profile. So players can like post about their profiles, you know, what they were doing, how their games are going. Look at this shit. Where's the workout one? It's got workouts. Fuck, I might publish this app. This app is pretty slick. Put a workout Vertex AI guy in there. Holy cow. Jeffrey, I'm glad we connected. I might have to launch this fucker too. Is that a dead page? What we got here? Web view. I don't need you. Bye. Is there any bugs? What are these bugs? Functions, push configs. Fuck yeah. Know any baseball players I want an app? Maybe execute. Delete the nav action. What nav action do I have after login? Navigate. Where do you want it to go? Oh, I can't query collection before? That better? Yeah. Alright, what time zone are you on? Where do you want it to off to? And navigate here? The fucking baseball app is sick. I forgot about that app. Social home. Automatic at navigation. We have automatic nav. There we go. Because you gotta query that collection. Essential. Okay, cool. I'm on Mountain. What do you got tomorrow? How's your day look tomorrow? Obviously, I'm flexible. Well, yeah, I'm flexible. I am flexible. Which one are you on? No, navigate automatically. You have to nav on your own. That background not looking all goofy up there. Ooh, this is weird. Different setup. Yeah, that looks fucking slick. Cool. How's let's see. You wanna do 9 your time? 9 a.m. Damn, I need to look at that app again. That app is fucking sweet. You need to be centered. That looks weird. You need an icon there. We're gonna put that there. Need a little more those lines look just kind of like no? Center logo. Or should I go logo? Yep. Oh no, that's not it. That's the baseball app. Oh, come on. Flutterflow just redesigned their landing page and they came out. I think they just had their big conference. They do some cool shit. 9 a.m. it is. Okay, cool, man. DM me or do you want to do a phone call or just Zoom call? Either one works for me. I don't care. Facebook, or we can do Zoom, or Google Meet, or whatever. I got them all. Yeah, they should be. They look like shit, huh? That looked terrible. Dude, let's do a Zoom. All right. So let's see. We gotta get that on the calendar. I'm trying to fucking organize all my ducks into one calendar. Cool chat, cool chat. Gotcha. I won't put that on the screen. Let's see. Well, fuck. Here's my email. I'll just send you my. Do you have Zoom? Can you send me an invite link? I mean, I'll do it later if you don't, but here's my email. That way you got it. Then I can do it later. I can't access. Yeah, I can. I just need to get it off that screen. Asionic chef. Dude, I want to hear some more about your chef career. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna be creeping on you on LinkedIn tonight too. I want to see that. See the history. I gotta go. Dude, gosh, what is my Zoom account on? My desktop. We got it on the desktop. I'm going to piss my computer off. Close those windows while live streaming, bruh. Okay. Zoom. Also, Jeffrey, since you're an AI guy, Zoom also provides transcription. Because you can use that to train your AI too. Alright, meetings. We got mañana. That is yes. Oh baby, come with it. I'm gonna hook this up to my other calendar account to get all my ducks in a row. You know what I'm saying? What is my fucking live stream? Any numbers? Okay. We're there. We're there, bud. We're on a screen. Sorry. This is gonna be a little difficult. Cool, gotta love it. Another info at BizRise.io. So I set this up. It'll be coming from info.bizrise.io. I set up a couple business emails, but they also are the ones that are linked to my Calendly. So, motherfucking Zoom. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this done on live, but I will try. If not, I'll send it to you later for sure. Okay, cool. Got it. My dude. My dude doesn't mess around. Thanks. Thanks, brother. Live stream props. Is there anything I could tell me, what you're mainly interested? Like I think I got an idea, right? Like there's gotta be some way to monetize and optimize AI. How can we make it more efficient, more effective for businesses? Which I got that all day. But one thing that Jordan brought up today too, which I really enjoyed, was sponsorship stuff. And depending on your platform, I mean, especially, I don't know, depending on what your business plan is with I mean, I guess overall plan is with monetizing AI for ad spend. I mean, there's a good fucking chance we're firing up your school community too, brother, because that would be fucking perfect. Like, teach people how to target better on Facebook. I got a video somewhere on YouTube about that, but I do think, as far as the targeting features, Facebook has some of the best. I like Facebook's targeting features on ads a lot. Make it really easy. You can get very granular. But what I also tell people when they're talking about ad spend is the same thing I tell people when they're talking about AI. What makes a good AI? Good data. What makes a good ad? Good data. Who's the king of data? Google. Where should we spend our money? Google. What's the first thing everybody does when they want to learn something? Google it. Fucking verb. And a noun. Kind of like fuck. Very versatile. Wow. It is amazing. I am just a goon tonight on live stream, but thank you. I am fucking excited for the opportunity. Right now, if you told me to go outside and scrub the street with a toothbrush for $20, I'd go. I'm excited, man. I look forward to collaborating with you. Hopefully we can, you know, if you're cool with it, we can. Dude. You want, yeah, I mean, SEO, fuck, dude. You want to rank higher? Here's something I tell people too, because to simplify it, like, you need backlinks, and it's important to have reputable websites, you know, feeding back to yours, right? But to get that gap, or like to shorten that spread, right? Check this shit out. So this was, and I need to do that, but this is part of those scripts that get written is the blog post, right? Now, this isn't a highly underrated tool that people don't use, is blogs. The same thing with AI. I mean, people, these computers like learning words, right? So what you do there is you jump into some keyword research, you know, see what's trending in those categories, do a little research, a couple different platforms that are just really efficient at it. Especially if you're trying to do trending social media stuff, which we'll see how that project turns out. I'm not quite sure on its results yet, but you find what's trending, you find the topic you're going for, you got to focus in on it, or an area, right? But you really want to dial that in, and then you post every one of these social scripts. And that's why I tell people why I like the live stream, because I can record it live and get that video. It's important to have the YouTube video. Upload it to YouTube, take that video, take it to Wix, post it in the blog with this post. And you can also send it to every fucking social media. And then go hammer out blog posts with it. You know, Medium, go hammer out any site you can fucking find. Reach out to people, be like, you know, for the ad spend deal, you know, maybe partnerships within that industry, marketing company, an SEO company, which I feel so bad for those companies. Like, they're probably not going to be around all that much longer. And I was talking to Jordan about that too, because at the end of the day, you run this down the line, like, you could probably train AI to run our fucking government better than it does already. Not sure if you're you're in the US Central Time. But yeah, man, that's what you could do. And then, I mean, really after that, what I've noticed too is depending on, and I've been hard at this for 2-something years, but finally decided to pull the trigger and just go for it, I think back in October. So it's almost been a year. Jesus. Almost been a year. But to do stuff, you know, as far as SEO, it's got to be also relevant to who we're going after. So if I was trying to do some SEO, I'd probably be posting in Flutterflow forums, AI forums, groups, small business groups, anything like that to drive traffic from different places. And then, I mean, what you, at the end of the day, you want people posting your links place. It's also part of why an affiliate program is good for people, because then other people are posting your links everywhere else. You know what I'm saying? So SEO, post a bunch of shit everywhere, make it relevant, hit people up to be friends with, have them post it too. Boom. And it takes a lot. You got to realize, I mean, I don't know what your plan is or what your business plan is, but there's some, you know, some businesses out there with decent pockets that are crushing you, or like crushing me, I guess. Which is also part of the reason to go live, because like, I'm here, I'm authentic, and this is better customer service than some call center that you can never get a hold of, or you get hung up on, or a chatbot that you get lost in. So that's also another reason for live streaming. Check out the upgraded internet today, baby. The internet fucking rocks. I was talking to the Xfinity lady. I'm like, I don't care if you got to cancel my TV. And she did. I was like, I need the fastest fucking internet you can possibly give me. Did a speed test earlier. She was not kidding. Got me 35 and a good discount. So it was, you know, it was a good fit for what I'm doing. That is so badass, dude. I'm pumped to hear what you got going on. I love that people, like, more and more people are getting into doing AI stuff. I'm fucking pumped. You into e-commerce at all? Because I can do that too. I made, no, for demonstration purposes. This is another optimization tactic, like product listings. You need product listings for your e-com products. That looks like shit too. I need to do the same thing. So center and then delete product over here. Gig. Coming in hot. Dude, I fucking love school. Like Jordan earlier, I met him in Thrive. Robbie Swag's community. She was one of my first friends on school. She's fucking crushed me, but she's got a swaggy community right here, Thrive. Definitely check that out. That's where I met Jordan. Yeah, Jordan. And Anton. Cool fucking dudes. Robbie's awesome too. I like your style, brother. So if you're bumping around on school, jump into her community. She crushes social media. Like she's got a ton of followers on Insta, YouTube. She is a dominant force to be reckoned with in the social media realm. Sure. Ooh. This one was interesting too. Felicia Sanders. She's cool. New Yorker. What up? What time is it? Oh. It's 11 your time. It's 10 my time. Thanks. I think I'm going to be probably calling this stream here in a little bit. You know, call it a night. Gotta go fix that web app a little bit, and then here's my goal too. So Jeffrey, here's the other thing to think about too, man. As far as school goes, if that is something you do end up setting up, what I've figured out, and then what I put on BizRise is I handle payments outside of school. Like I'll do PayPal and Stripe both on BizRise, or just like a PayLink or something, because I think school charges you 10% per transaction. Pulled an all-nighter the other night. Good shit, dude. I mean, you can do whatever you want, right? That was the one thing I liked about, well, I thought I would like about going with it on my own, but honestly, dude, some of the times to stream the best are middle of the night. because most people are sleeping and the internet works. Not a lot of demand in your area. But more and more with this, like, shoot, dude, I'll probably be up to like 3. Yeah, we'll see. I do have to make some sales though. That's the. So we're gonna use the fucking prospector. Launch that shit. Yee. I'm excited to meet you, dude. School has been awesome. I am very excited to meet you. That looks like shit. I'm gonna need to fix that. I'm gonna need to fix that. Does it work at least? Do my product listing as fun and exciting. Whoop. This was like my first ever mission into e-commerce. I got a few things to fix on the e-com drop. Those shouldn't be black. You can't see shit. But I mean, that needs to be description. And that needs to be meta description. I gotta do some e-com bugging tonight. Give it a date, give it a title. Yeah. Change the okay. Jeffrey! Take over the world, bro. And the best thing about apps, like getting it going, fucking terrible. Getting it, sustaining it, you know, it's a good business, man. If you can crack it, it is a good business. And we need to look into, I'll look into seeing what it takes to deploy one of those GPTs. I mean, I'm sure they got an API call, but that GPT UI is always just clean, right? It'd be cool if we could take some like HTML and embed it or use. I got you, bro. Yeah, that's right. Get on live stream. Yeah. That's exactly why you should start live streaming. I can spell good. We can stream together. It is. I have not had a stream together with somebody. I got like 9 followers on Twitch, but that was the one mistake I wish I would have done differently last time, was start selling sooner. I've been spending so much time developing that app. It's like, oh, fuck. And I got to make a bunch of changes on the e-com side tonight. That just looks ugly. But we got the to-dos. That looks pretty good. To-do list is just money in the bank. I love the to-do. Let's see. Messaging. That was, I think, me messaging myself. Hello. You always got to have the messenger in your app, right? My stream freeze. Bro, you'd be surprised. Bro, the internet is a cool place. Honestly, with the live stream, and this is the weirdest shit. You find your tribe. And I say that because, I mean, dude, I've done TikTok. You know, I had an e-commerce website for t-shirts for dads when it was the same day I started getting into e-commerce. The day after our daughter was born, I made a dropshipping website with t-shirts, but you know, there's better stuff out there to do on the internet. But I always do. I've posted everything. I've done hooks. I've done studied trends. Like, I've done everything. Used AI to write them. And now, what I was doing the other night, I was reading those scripts live, but live streaming for some reason. Don't know what it was. Started live streaming, I don't know, a couple months ago, 2-3 months ago, maybe more than that. Didn't really pay any attention to it. Was just doing it because it was an easy way to do a tutorial for my buddy who just needed a tutorial. I was like, oh, fuck, I'll just do this live. Check out what this Twitch is. And then it turned into like, holy fuck, you can use this for a lot. And then it turned into, holy fuck, you can use this to train AI. Then it turned into, holy fuck, You just do whatever. So honestly, brother, you just start going live and it just starts. The YouTube world starts living it. I was surprised today. I got a notification. I got fucking 19,000 views on YouTube. I was like, from fucking what? Live streaming. Quality is. What else? Gosh, that kind of looks like shit too. I need to put some color into this puppy. It's a little dark. But it is developed for mobile first. This is also why I say think about both platforms. Calendar, job man. We gotta create a post. Dude, do you have a logo? Do you have a logo? If you have a logo, send it to me somewhere and I'll post about it. Because you also gotta have a social feed on your fucking app, right? You gotta have that social feed for people to check out. Go check out what you're doing, see what's up, check out the company. You know? Gotta have the social feed. And I'm thinking, I mean, chef, dude. So in college, I worked at, okay, I won't push it. All right. But in college, I worked at Texas Roadhouse. And some of my best friends at that place were the chefs, the cooks, man. Those guys are fucking wild. Funniest motherfuckers. Great cooks, too. Shouldn't call them motherfuckers. I need to work on my language. I apologize. Bro, you are more capable than you think. I promise you that. With what you've done already on just creating a GPT, I promise you, you are more capable than you know. The biggest thing is just figuring out how to optimize a process. I don't know who that is right out of the gate. I hope she's fucking off. I'm Googling. Is it good or bad? I don't know. I might know terrible, but damn, Tara's got some fucking followers on Insta. Damn. I hope so. Me and Tara Babcock need to be fucking friends, is what we need to do. Holy cow. Jesus. Tara, I'm going to be following you on Insta soon. Gutsy. Good Lord. Following the show. Dude. Good Lord. Brother. She just gained a new follower. Oh, so that's a fresh kit. A fresh kit. Hats off to the dog. Hey, Doc, respect. Hats off, brother. You know that little kid meme, the Jeter one? Like, respect. You got respect for me, Doc. Tara Babcock. Yep. Wonder if she wants to join my school community. You fucking bet your ass. I'm gonna DM her and ask. Tara, you're hot. Seem pretty cool. Let's fucking hang out. Join the AI Factory. Not that you need to make a product, because you're probably just fine with 300,000 Instagram followers. Get out of here. I wonder how much money that pays. That's the other thing too, Jeff. YouTube is looking for, they're looking to gain some territory in the live stream game. However, when you go to their fucking app, you can't find where to watch live. I was like, what the fuck? Dude, Twitch is, I love Twitch. Twitch is amazing. Oh, Twitch. I'm gonna go find her. Twitch is great. Oh, my baby cookie. You trying to go to bed, you little sweet puppy? Oh, okay, baby. Is it your bedtime, Cookie? You hear my dog over there? She's like, you gotta see Cookie. Come here, Cooks. Jeff, as my homie tonight, I'm gonna go grab Cookie real quick. I want you to meet Cookie. Cheech won't let me pick him up. I mean, he will, but not willingly. Oh. My girl. My baby. On the live stream? Oh. Jeffrey, meet Cookie. This is my baby girl. My cuddle bug. She will literally... Yeah, I figured. I'm gonna go see Tara Babcock. I can put two and two together. So this is my princess Cookie. Jeffrey. To let you cuddle her like a little baby all night. Oh. We'll put you to bed. I'll put her back on the couch. She doesn't like walking. She can. Puppy. All right. Tara Babcock. I mean, you know, Jeffrey, I'm going to take that as a fucking compliment because she is a rocket. Dotsy. Wow. Will. I definitely will, brother. This has been fucking awesome, Jeff. You're the fucking man. What restaurant were you a chef in? That's such a cool deal. Making some bomb ass food. It's a talent, man. It is a talent. Let's go. Oh, sweet Cookie. What else? What other changes do we see? Alaska too. I bet you got some stories. Alaska's different. I've never been, but I heard some stories like buddies that go up there on some trips and stuff. Salmon fishing, some hunting trips. They're like, bro, like we think in Colorado we're doing big things in the mountains. They're like, go to Alaska. You're on your own. Like if something happened when we were up hunting, we could be fairly close to people, but you're in Alaska, it's like better fucking figure it out. I need to tomorrow I'm going to put on the live stream, and this is something we could potentially do too, but I want to talk about that tomorrow. Mostly in Alaska. So cool. Yeah, Jeffrey, now I'm definitely going to be creeping all over your LinkedIn and socials, and I'm going to be looking. That's a cool story. I want to hear about it. I like stories. Big fan of stories. That's cool. That is cool. And I like the way you say it too. I know we haven't really talked that much, but we're gonna be no problem. No problemo. Now that you told me that, I've been like, bro, like that seems like something you're like hanging out with buddies and you're like, yo, dude, we gotta go piss in that ocean. It's kind of like you gotta do it. Like it's there, gotta go do it. If you and I were hanging out in Alaska and you were like, dude, I bet Alaska. And you're like, bro, let's go pee in that ocean. We gotta say we pee in the farthest northern ocean. I'd be like, okay, let's go. Sign me up. This is fun. Okay. Let me say goodnight to Jeff and then we'll go take you to bed. She's like a puppy too. It's not like she can't walk. She just she likes being carried everywhere. She's my princess. What? Dude, tell me that was okay. Brother. Yeah, we would definitely be friends. There's one in Rock Springs we can talk about. Not, I heard this story from my buddies. She speaks Klingon? What the fuck? Wonder if that sounds weird when she's like pole dancing. Like doing all the click clacking and Klingon shit. That would be some shit. I would die laughing. I'd be like, what the fuck though? Pillow. Oh, pillow, pillow, pillow. Oh, dude, I got a story I could tell you. I can't put it in the chat, but we could talk about it on Zoom tomorrow. But Rock Springs, Wyoming. Yeah. Nothing like Pillow though. She wasn't speaking Klingon. That is fucking funny. Yep, we're best friends. I knew it. But Jeff, I am going to be calling her a night, brother. I'll double check. I'll make sure I got that email. Get it on the calendar. No way. Hang on, we're not shutting it down yet. No way, really? How's that work? Well, yeah, we're gonna have to share stories. I'm so intrigued by that, but I don't know. Don't put that shit in the chat. I don't know if they monitor the chat. But I want to hear the story. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know you're giving me the teaser, right? And I want to hear the story. That's incredible. Now, all right, think about this. Now, this is just me being me, but like, did she do tricks with, like, did she have a prosthetic? Could you do tricks with it? Like, what if you lit it on fire? That might be cool. Amazing. I'm going to PJ's. That was one thing we saw cool. Was the fire dancer doing fire tricks, and I just went somewhere else with that one-legged thing. Fuck yeah. That would be fantastic. That's like Varsity Blues. I'll tell you what, dude. If I was in college and my professor was a stripper and I knew about it, she would fucking make so much money. I guarantee the entire class would be in there. Like, here you go. Used her lift. Holy fucking. Yeah, we are gonna be best friends. Yep. Yep. That is too much fun. Well, Jeffrey, I gotta shut this down, brother. I gotta do some app work tonight, and I gotta retool some things because sales. I need to make some sales. But I look forward to jumping on the Zoom with you tomorrow, and I look forward to it. And I know we were gonna talk about doing some work, but it might end up somewhere else, which is okay. But yeah, man, I will be on the computer, 8 a.m. sharp, Colorado time. I look forward to bullshitting with you, man. If there's any business opportunities or anything like that that you think I would be a good fit for, make sure and let me know tomorrow too. I'd appreciate it. Need to get this app rolling, need to get the community rolling and making some money so I can go see my babies. But cool, man. 9 a.m. Central, 8 Mountain. Got it. This one's for Pillow. See you tomorrow, brother. You're the man. Have a good night. Have a good night. Shout out to Cacao, Tuk Tuk, and the pirate. You're the pirate now, Jeff. That's the vibe I'm getting, especially the one leg thing. You're just getting it. Arr, you're the pirate. Jeff the pirate. See, it just happens. Hope you're okay with it. Have a good night, brother, and pumped to meet you in the morning. Good night. Sleep tight.